Welcome to Rush Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, features, and in-depth insights into the automotive world. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and nostalgic car launches of 2025, the all-new Premier Padmini. This legendary name is making a comeback with a modern twist, blending retro charm with contemporary technology. So, let's find out if this new version lives up to the legacy of the original Padmini and whether it is worth considering in today's competitive market. Starting with the design, Premier has managed to retain the classic appeal of the original Padmini while infusing it with modern aesthetics. The front grille carries a vintage-inspired look, enhanced by sleek LED DRLs and projector headlamps. The chrome accents on the bumper and around the grille add a premium touch, giving it a distinct identity on the road. Moving to the side profile, the signature silhouette of the old Padmini has been maintained, but the body has been refined to improve aerodynamics and efficiency. The new alloy wheels and flush door handles bring a contemporary feel without losing the nostalgic essence. At the rear, slim LED taillights, a sculpted trunk, and a redefined bumper complete the fusion of old and new. Stepping inside the cabin, Premier has ensured that the Padmini feels both modern and luxurious while keeping the essence of its retro heritage intact. The dashboard is a beautiful mix of soft-touch materials, classic wooden inserts, and a modern digital instrument cluster. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, making it convenient for tech-savvy users. The steering wheel, though inspired by the original Padmini, comes equipped with modern controls for added convenience. The leather-upholstered seats provide excellent comfort, and the increased legroom ensures a more relaxed experience, especially on long drives. The dual-tone theme inside the cabin adds to the premium feel, making it stand out from other cars in this segment. Now, let's talk about the performance. The 2025 Premier Padmini comes with two engine options. The first is a 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine that produces around 90 bhp and 115 Nm of torque, offering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. The second option is a 1.5-liter hybrid engine that not only delivers a smoother ride but also ensures better fuel economy, making it a great choice for those looking for an eco-friendly alternative. Both engines are available with manual as well as automatic transmission, providing flexibility for different driving preferences. The ride quality has been significantly improved with a new suspension setup, ensuring better stability and comfort on city roads as well as highways. Safety has also been a top priority for Premier this time. The new Padmini is equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring maximum safety for the driver and passengers. The car also comes with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, features that were unheard of in the original Padmini but are essential in modern vehicles. These additions make the 2025 Padmini a safe and reliable choice for urban as well as highway driving. One of the biggest factors when considering a car is its pricing, and Premier has strategically positioned the new Padmini to compete with some of the top-selling hatchbacks in the market. With an expected starting price of around 7 lakh rupees, it takes on competitors like the Hyundai i20, Tata Altroz, and Maruti Baleno. However, what sets it apart is the unique blend of retro styling, modern technology, and the emotional connection that many buyers will have with this iconic name. So, is the new Premier Padmini worth it? If you are someone who appreciates classic design but also wants the benefits of modern-day comfort, technology, and safety, this car is definitely worth considering. It offers a nostalgic experience without compromising on the features that today's car buyers demand. It's a perfect mix of heritage and innovation, making it a one-of-a-kind offering in the market. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Premier Padmini. Would you consider buying it, or do you think it should have retained more of its original design? Also, if you love car reviews and want to stay updated with the latest automotive trends, don't forget to subscribe to Rush Drive and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll be back soon with another exciting car review, so stay tuned, drive safe, and keep enjoying the world of automobiles with Rush Drive.